So today we're going to get some paint. Yeah.
Don't judge if you don't know nothing about it.
Yeah, I say the life.
I don't know.
£14 per square metre.
Yeah, per square metre. So that's, ain't it per square metre of that? That covers per square metre.
You don't know?
No.
Anyone know?
No, I don't know anything.
Parisian?
Parisian. Is that a style?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
What do you do when you're on social media? Nothing.
No, because I don't go on social media like you.
I lie, I tell you.
I'm not lying, me. I tell me now. What is that? What is it? What is it, Caden?
It's Caden's birthday.
Yeah, but what's this?
Hot Wheels.
Extremely tired, but you know.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. I wake up, I go ball, I go hard with my dogs, bet it all. What's the call? Need a 10, never fall. Polo socks, polo jaws, keep it 10. Beat the odds, hit my line. What you want? I pick up, get it on. Love when the celly gon' ring. I'm putting on my team. Money come flowing, no sink. Spring, 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 spring. Double cup, cup my drink. Love my little baby, no leak. I be counting money, no sheet. I get to it up in my sleep. Shorty's how chain when the money came. Money bang here, I'm getting money, babe. Need a money counter for the money, ayy. No, I need you here, so don't you run away. Mathematics act like a nerd. I'll be counting 30 by the third. Drop top doors, go vert. SRT, go skirt. Lady like a bub and see.
Add in the bits to make the sticky belly pork bites. My beauty is I forgot to film how they actually turn out. They were absolutely amazing and tasted the best. But I will be showing you as soon as I make another batch.
I never like. I never like. I never like. I never like. It's like an ocean. The way you're touching me must be emotion. The way it's meant to be, all the emotion. Is this what you want now? Feels like you're looking for something better. Is this what you want now? Or is it because you can't forget her? I can't keep pretending. It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. I belong to you. I belong to you. Do just what you want. You're the one I trust, and I always be around when I need some loving, baby.
Hey my beauties, I don't normally do fit for the day, but I thought let me change it up a little. So I'm wearing the all-in-one from Pretty Little Thing. I feel a bit bloated, it's that time of the month. I've got on my boots. Do you remember I showed you the boots from ASOS that I got myself for Christmas? So this is with the hands on from the Keep Warm. So I'm just going to put on a warmer and throw on a hat. It's time to go to Dalston. I've got to go and pick up a few bits, and then it's time to go to Muay Thai for Caden's class. So yeah, so this is me for the day. Just a bit bloated. But yeah, let's get out the door. So the fragrance I'm going with today, guys, is this is my little pocket one. So this is Perfect by Marc Jacobs. I am so in love with this. So this is my smell.
I need a companion, girl, I guess that must be you.
Or you can give these to Kevin.
Oh, that's the
Get those.
Except for that
And
one.
then we've got these cute. I think these are cuter than the other ones. This is more dainty looking. These are £5. Quickly run into Iceland. I need to get some couple of bits. I'm like, and Caden doesn't eat this, he doesn't eat that, so I thought let me pick him up some pizzas before I need to get back. I'm so tired, guys. I'm telling you. I'm like, I'm done for the day. I'm literally done through it. I'm walking through Dalston like, get me home. I can't do this anymore. So I'm going to quickly pay for my ticket and then get out of here. This is too much for me. It's like too much like hard work, guys.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we...
So my beauties, I have just walked back in the house from having done my Matalan haul video that I'm going to do. Not too sure if I'm going to do it as part of a vlog or just do it separate. I think I might do it separate. And we've got mail. So I've got some Amazon parcels to unbox. Well, one Amazon parcel to unbox that I want you to unbox with me. So let's turn the camera around and we'll find out. So I've already ripped it open. So I got the new fragrance hair mist. So it's their Good Girl Carolina Herrera New York, and it's their hair mist. Okay, I'll do I don't know, maybe do a TikTok or Insta on it. It's looking good. I was watching Kyra Monique. I think I've told you guys before. I watch her. She is a American content creator. Absolutely love her. But I got that, I think. And it came with the bag. Let's get rid. So it came with this bag. So I got it from Look Fantastic. I went on to. They were doing a special new customer 20% off when I picked it up. And this is their makeup bag. So this is the Carolina Herrera, and it's their makeup bag. And you get this as a free gift. Cute. If I can even open it. got the little good girl tag, if you can see it. So, oh, this is cute, guys. A little makeup bag. It comes free. I got that, but this is lovely. It smells. Do you know what? Let me take my hat off. I'm going to turn you round. So I'm going to spray it and see what it's saying, guys. I think it actually smells adorable. I'm in love with this smell. Because what I was doing before, oops. What I was doing before, my lovelies, was like spraying the perfumes around. But we know that's not good for your hair. Yeah, I'm in love with this. Cutie. This is so lovely. And it smells absolutely gorgeous. So I am sitting in my car. Let me turn this down. So I'm sitting in my car and I am on Caden's second day of Muay Thai. I'm telling you, I've got such bad anxiety right now. I've had to sit in my car. I couldn't even stay in the class with him. Last week it was Caden's dad and Kyan in there, and I had to stay outside. I just couldn't do it. So this time I drove down to the class so I can sit in the class. It's 45 minutes, but it's 45 minutes of sheer anxiety. All I want to do, guys, is get in there and tell him to stop talking, tell him to sit down, say do everything that he's not listening. I just want to, you know, as a mum, just get in there. So the anxiety is killing me. Ladies, it's killing me. It's killing me. It's killing me. And then we're going to go grab something to eat. And I don't know what else we're going to do. Maybe put something on to eat. I'm not sure. But I'll see you on the other side.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome.
Hi my lovelies, so I am back. I can't tell you the last time I picked you up. It has been a few days. I am sitting outside Caden's third class of Muay Thai for this week, so it has been a few days since I picked you up. We've been all over the place. We've been paint shopping, we've been into Dawson, we've picked up quite a few bits, so you're seeing a week of it with me. I hope you enjoyed it. So please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one. Take care. Bye.